We get it. Good story. Good story. Good story. Good story. Good story, baby. Good story. Good story.
That's what I call some balls there.
Good story. Good story. Good story. Good story. You almost had it, buddy. Get it.
It's hard not to get excited about the new Toyotas.
You got your toy. Ouch. You pulled it down.
And get 750 bonus gas. Or get a new
We're going to use this paw to hold it down. Get it, buddy.
750 gas back.
Oh wow, it's getting pretty fancy there.
Because I need to get the string. I need to get that string. I need to get that string.
Oh, we are box tonight.
Get it, Lumpy. Bring me your toy. Bring it in. I need to get the string. His toy. His toy.
What can you do to protect your family or business?
His toy.
When the Williams with the money.
A big rock, a boulder for your front yard. What's in the cost, and why would you want it there anyway?
He severed part of the string already.
Did he?
Yep, his toy.
Yellow concrete barricades known as bollards to keep cars where they belong. As on the road
His
or
toy.
in the parking lot. These bollards
I think
have
he's
become
done,
very
right?
good things in the world of destruction.